People of Katrigao constituency took out protest rally demanding distributions of food grains for people of the constituency under Nfsa. Protesters along with MLA Sheikh Noorul Hassan marched from Ketrig Awang Lekai, Top Khong Nangkong to Imphal ESDC Complex Gate demanding food grains, which is pending for 6 months under National Food Security Act. A brief scuffle broke out at the DC Complex Gate when security locked down the gate, barring protesters from entering the complex. Later, protesters managed to barge inside the complex by overpowering the gate. Thereafter, some of the protesters along with MLA Sheikh Noorul Hassan met the DC and held talks regarding the issue.